We interrupt your programming. This is a disclaimer. Important information will follow. This is your emergency broadcast system. We have reported a radiation spill from a nuclear power plant. Listen to important information and instructions. Do not drink from any fridge or sink. This will result in radiation poisoning. Currently at this rate, if you don't have a hazmat suit, drive 5 miles away from your area before 10 p.m. We still have 1 hour. If you don't have a car, go to a metal area with shoes on and stay. Make sure there are no cracks of the door. After 10 p.m. the U.S. Air Force will evacuate your town.